Welcome to examsavvy.com.
We'll see the video for Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission exams. And we'll see how important is this exam with some few description. So first of all, how to prepare for TNPSC general knowledge questions. Tamil Nadu state board books are the basic textbooks for studying TNPSC exams. And these books in most covers 80% of the questions in case of TNPC general knowledge questions. Exams like TNPSC Group 4, Village Administrative Officer VAO, Surveyor, Draftsman and Stenotypist exams. These books were considered as a major study materials for preparation of such exams. And hence, students have to read and revise their Tamil Nadu State Board books in order to get a good results. Otherwise, students can also depend on study materials and books which will be prepared on the basis of these books like State Board books, what we have studied in our lower classes. And how to prepare general science. We'll see the questions may be asked mainly based on 6th to 10th standard of Tamil Nadu State Board science textbooks, especially like physics, chemistry, biology, and also you can concentrate biology of 11th and 12th standard now to get deep questions. Students should also take more care on general science because it covers approximately 30 to 35% questions out of 100. And if you quote particularly, like 8 to 10 questions were asked from physics, and 10 to 12 questions will be asked from chemistry, and 12 to 14 questions will be asked from biology. This is an approximation what we are saying right now. And next, we'll see TNPC Indian history preparation. And the second importance will be given to Indian history subject. In this, nearly 15 to 20% of questions will be asked. The main sources for this Indian history is like 6th to 10th standard books, like social science of 6th and 10th. 6th to 10th, you can concentrate on social science, and history textbooks for 11th and 12th standard books. The more questions will be asked from Indian national movement in this part. Indian history and Indian national movement are the role of Tamil Nadu government that should be understood by students carefully. And for TNPC Indian geography preparation, in this 10 to 12% of questions were asked, and here the main sources are 11th and 12th standard geography. In this part also, students have to concentrate a part of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu geography, location, rivers, and physical setting, etc. These to be concentrated more in case of geography. And coming to TNPC Indian Constitution preparation, in this nearly 10 to 12% of questions were asked from Indian polity and Indian Constitution. So for this subject, in addition to civil, books of state board should be prepared. Books like Indian polity that will be published by NICE IAS is very useful for this part. The cost is also very less. We can say I think it is 100 price. Next, we'll see TNPC Indian economy preparation. The main source books are like 11th and 12th standard state board books. Students may also look into the newspaper for current economy. So you need to concentrate on newspapers. The student should be known with recent updates like RBI Governor, Finance Minister, current government schemes, and Indian Economical Organization. All this should be concentrated in case of economy preparation. TNPC current events preparation. So, what are the current events? And that you should be prepared. And in this, 2 to 4 questions will be asked. And for this, like Dinamani, a daily newspaper, which is enough to prepare, I think. Generally, 18-month current events you should take into account. 18 months of current events when you are going to write exam today. You just take care of 18 months before. From 18 months, what all the current events happen that you should consider into your account. You need to concentrate your preparation on this topics. Students should take more concentration on like awards, honor, appointment, etc. in this current events. TNPC mathematics preparation. In this 10 to 12% of questions were asked, and of the problems were asked from class 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th state board books. And the remaining of the problems were asked in the head of mental ability. For this mental ability, you can concentrate on R.S. Agarwal's quantitative aptitude book for preparation. And special focus on Tamil Nadu. So in this 20% of questions, surely they can ask about Tamil Nadu. So students have to prepare themselves with regards to like welfare schemes, activities, current events, awards, general knowledge, ministers, chief ministers, economy, geography and history of whole Tamil Nadu region. And other than this, what are all the miscellaneous subjects you need to concentrate? Except the above, whatever I mentioned, I've said before subjects, you need to concentrate on other subjects also, like commerce, statistics, Hindu, religion, logic, ethics, sociology, psychology, philosophy. In this 6 to 8 questions were taken into account for this miscellaneous subject. In the books and study materials which covers 95% questions are, I've mentioned what are the books you need to prepare for your exam. But books covers almost 80% of questions like science, physics, chemistry. What are all the books of state board you need to consider. These are all the books and standards which you have to prepare for your competitive exam. So by saying this, by reading this material, you can gain a good marks.